Finally, T represents transparency, ethics, and sustainability. These crucial aspects are often overlooked in evaluations, and we assess how accountable and enduring an ACSM program is by promoting ethical standards in implementation, such as informed consent in campaigns and studies, regular feedback loops with communities, and transparent reporting on outcomes and challenges. We ensure respect for local governance, structures and protect our participants' dignity and privacy, and ultimately sustainability through community trust. This is guided by Christians et al.'s Ethical Principles in Communication, year 2010, stressing truth, respect, and justice, and the WHO system strengthening approach by 2010 for long-term ethical impact. Okay, why is Marinduque is an ideal application site for the impact framework? Maybe because I live here and this is my province. This is a small island province represents or presents a strategic location and context. It faces a high burden of both TB and HIV, but it also possesses strong social networks already in place, including active barangay health workers, faith-based groups and church leaders, and dynamic youth leaders and student organizations. So the impact framework fits well due to its emphasis on grassroots strength and cultural sensitivity, offering potential for replicable community-based or ACSM models. Crucially, the impact framework is directly aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. It significantly contributes to SDG 3, good health and well-being by promoting access to health care, disease prevention, and public health education. It addresses the SDG 10, reduce inequalities by empowering marginalized communities through inclusive engagement and equitable access to information and services. And it strengthens the SDG 17 partnership for the goals by fostering collaboration between government, civil society, and communities. The framework supports the localization of global goals through community-rooted, culturally relevant action. In practice, the ACSM programs can utilize various trusted, culturally familiar platforms to reach diverse groups. This includes mobile health caravans that bring services directly to barangays, storytelling sessions using local narratives and real-life experiences to enhance understanding and empathy, and religious leader advocacy to promote health messages in sermons and gatherings. These tailored tools enhance accessibility, improve message retention, and build trust and community support, especially in rural and remote areas like Marinduque. Ensuring ethics and sustainability in practice involves several key actions. We conduct stakeholder forums that promote transparency and mutual respect, utilize community surveys to gather feedback and tailor interventions, and adhere to informed consent and data privacy protocols. To build long-term sustainability, we focus on integrating ACSM into local health systems, training local champions like youth leaders and barangay workers, and creating continuous feedback loops for ongoing program refinement. This promotes deep community ownership and institutional trust. In conclusion, the impact framework offers a comprehensive, culturally grounded, and ethical approach to evaluating the ACSM programs. It promotes inclusive participation, evidence-based strategies, and sustainable change. It is ideal for local contexts like Marinduque, where strong community networks can drive long-term impact. By aligning with public health goals and sustainable development goals, this framework empowers communities to become active agents of change, holding real promise for Marinduque and beyond. Here are the references used in developing this framework and presentation. So all formatted in APA 7th edition style. Thank you for your time and attention.